Billy Joe is gonna go underneath it for us, right?
I could, yeah.
This is some very cold water, everybody.
Hello everybody, we are here at the Barberville Falls in Post and Kill. My first time here. We just had a ton of rain, over 6 inches of rain. Some parts got even more. There's all kinds of flooding damage all around the Capital District. And it was crazy, right? The rain was nuts, right?
For these motorists who wound up submerged beneath the Central Avenue overpass.
Sumter Street, just off of Exchange Street, is totally underwater.
So here we go. We're going to show you the Barberville Falls. Joe and I are here
That's right.
at Thacher Park. We're doing it today.
Yeah.
It's gonna be awesome.
That's right.
It's a lot bigger than people think. There's a lot of different trails here. I mean, just a massive amount of trails. Wow, it's pretty nice. It's a great overlook. It just goes down into the valley. And the trail goes down these stairs.
Yeah, along the ridge.
Along the ridge. So we're gonna go down there. Okay, a little steep set of metal stairs here. So watch your step. It's tough to get the entire breadth of this cliff overhang. You know, it's
Gotta kind of have to be here, you know.
you kind of got to be here. But it's just amazing the layers of rock, the striations, I guess you would call them.
Yeah, it is fascinating how it all just forms together like that.
Yeah.
Just on top of one another.
Wow. Yeah, it's very interesting. Now, that's the top of the escarpment, I guess you would call it. And then we're walking down here. Yeah, like a bear den. There's like little caves up there. This is really... Hey, what do they call those drawings, those cave drawings, like hieroglyphs?
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. You would expect to see some here, right?
Or like the Petra. You ever seen the Petra?
Yes, the Petra in the desert, right?
Yeah. Dang. It kind of goes in a little bit.
Oh, it does?
Yeah. I don't think you can walk in there, but it looks like there's some depth.
That's
At
the
least-
Cave
at least-
of Darkness.
Yeah.
So here we go, we're approaching the famous waterfall at Thacher Park. So we're on this wooden bridge and this is like, what is this, groundwater even? There's a stream underneath this giant rock face. And you wonder if it's mineral water or is it probably fresh rainwater. Here it is, the spectacle of the waterfall here at Thacher State Park. Coming off of the cliff. Pretty cool. Wow, Joe, that's amazing. And everybody's here to see the beautiful spectacle of the waterfall. You would think we were in Hawaii.
Yeah.
But we are not. We are in New York, everyone. And this is amazing. I'm sure that water's nice and cold. Hopefully Joe is going to go underneath it for us, right?
I could, yeah. Right?
To see if we can get a little bit refreshed here. Wow. Great spectacle. You can actually feel the mist of the water just falling. It's really refreshing to stand here. Another little cavern, water flowing out of it. What a great view, I mean. That is a spectacle. Down here.
Yeah,
So it not only goes down the cliff, but this leads into a pretty big ravine to the left of the trail here. And it goes pretty far down, hundreds and hundreds of feet. Would you believe that there's another waterfall here?
I didn't know there was gonna be more than one.
Wow, check this out. We're coming up upon another awesome waterfall. You can see it through the trees. Wow. Wow. That's pretty amazing. There it is.
Salamanders.
Mine Lot Falls. Wow, look at that in winter.
Yeah, that's cool.
Goes all the way down. Comes right off of there.
This is some very cold water, everybody. Wow, refreshing. Oh yeah. actually have to hunch down through here. You can see me and Joe. We have to hunch down under this cliff and hope it doesn't